Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the info session of Hackfest. Okay, I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible right now.
Okay, great. Also, please mute yourself unless we give the information that you have to unmute yourself. So if I ask anything, you can write down in the chat box. No need to unmute yourself. Okay. Okay. Also, we will start sharp at 5:10, and if the participant came at 5:05, then we can start in 5:10. So wait for it for some time. Let everybody join first. Okay, good evening everyone. I am audible. Can anybody confirm it in the chat box?
Yeah, you are audible. Ranjay.
I request please don't unmute yourselves. Okay, you can write in the chat box. Okay. Thank you. So how are you? I hope you are doing really well. Can you write in the chat box? Feeling excited for Hackfest? Okay. So you already seen like so many person putting their status before asking you how's the shows. तो एक हिंदी की लाइन है, those who don't know हिंदी, no problem, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे तो. Okay, so TechFest is our TechFest Equilibrio 2021 is postponed due to COVID situation, but no problem. TechFest नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ, Hackfest है. Okay, so we this initiate this first ever hackathon to our university, so it will be really a great event for you all, and so many people are still joining. So we will start at 5:10, so let's interact to each other. So how are you like this college, like कैसा लग रहा है आपको कॉलेज या फिर ऑनलाइन स्टडीज? चैट बॉक्स में बताइए. You can write down in this your chat box. Exams are good, rest is not so. Okay. Okay, no problem. So what I suggest, like online studies are really boring, I know, no problem, but you can utilize this time, okay, for so many great things. Like you can use this time to improve your skills, learn something new, okay, and do your hobbies, everything you can do in this period. And after the online classes will begin, you can come to the college and enjoy a lot. Okay, so that will be a time where you can spend so many time with your friends. uh, so what I can say, you have to utilize this time, like when you are in home, so that you can enjoy in the college. Okay, great. Okay, so I think maximum students are came and we can start. Is anybody from outside GGV? All are from outside, all are from GGV students, like BTech. Okay. ठीक है, किसी ने जवाब नहीं दिया. Nobody replied on. No problem.
जी सर
So we Okay, like when I ask a question, you can just write in the chat box. Don't have to unmute yourself. Okay, it disturbs the audience. So please, I suggest no, don't unmute yourself. You have to be mute. Okay. So let's go. We begin the session. Okay. So okay. Good evening, everyone. Once again, this is Abhishek Kumar Gupta, DSC lead of DSC GGV. I am BTech third year computer science student. Okay. So my main interest lies on artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and computer vision. Also, I am a web developer, and I lead the team of DSC GGV. Okay. So you already know about the Developer Student Club Guru Ghazidas Vishwavidyalaya, which is the club powered by Google Developer, where we do something really, really exciting. We conduct workshops, sessions, like we conduct so many competition that this is conduct like Hackfest is also conducted by DSC. Okay, so this is really a great opportunity for you also. So जैसा कि मैंने बोला था, आई स्पीक इन हिंदी फॉर लिटिल बिट. हैकफेस्ट टेकफेस्ट नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ, हैकफेस्ट है. So we, the DSC team, came up with a new event called Hackfest GGV. We will elaborate this name in shortly in our next slide. Okay. So today's table of contents lies like overview of the Hackfest DSC, what is our theme, what is hackathon, everything. Then prizes, then judging criteria, timeline, then some overview videos, resources, FAQs, and a look back to 2020 solution challenge. Okay, before moving ahead, you already know about the solution challenge. Okay, is like I already take one session on info on solution challenge. So this session, like Hackfest GGV, is a sub part of the solution challenge. So Google Solution Challenge is a mega event which is conducted all around the world. Okay, and Hackfest DSC is just the event which is organized in the university so that you get an overview of hackathon and you do well in the solution challenge. Okay, so all the very best. If you are in doing participation in solution challenge, then it's a really great opportunity. You can make participation in Hackfest DSC, GGV, and you can learn so many things and you get an experience so that this will help you in Google Solution Challenge. Okay. So this is a great opportunity for all the students to kickstart their careers by learning through doing. So hackathon is what is thing like by learning through doing. Okay. So firstly, what is hackathon? A hackathon is an event usually hosted by a tech company or organization where programmers get together for a short period of time to collaborate on a project. So hackathon is a like an event where the company provides or company the organization provides in the problem statement like they are facing these types of problem, and so many intelligent people like you all are, they get the problem and they are like doing research on that and they get a solution. Okay, they get a solution, proper idea for that, and they get implemented through the product. Okay, in a short period of time. So this like making solving a problem is actually done in the hackathon. We have Dipesh Garg sir, co-lead of DSC GGP. He is the winner of recently hackathon happened in around the world. Okay, so he and Ruhi Avasti ma'am win around 10,000 prize money. He is the first in his project. I request Dipesh sir to share his 5 minutes experience in brief. What is hackathon and what his journey in hackathon and how he grabbed the prize. Dipesh sir.
Okay, thank you, Abhishek. So, hello everyone. So, many of you may know me or many of you may not. So, let me introduce me first. So, I am Dipesh Garg, and currently I'm working as the co-lead of DSC GGV. So, I am here to tell you about my experience of one hackathon that I participated in. So, firstly, I should clarify you what the hackathon is. So you must be like, you must have a clear idea of like what the hackathon is. So basically, hackathon is something like where it is a platform where you meet different kinds of people around the globe. It may be like some constraints for the participants, but you meet people, different kind of people, to participate in that thing, and you like work together in a project and come out with a product. Okay, so you collaborate with each other in a hackathon and you work on a project. So that's all about hackathon. So basically, yeah. So basically, hackathon is all about collaboration. So my experience was that I participated in one hackathon from like University of California, Los Angeles. There was a hackathon from the university, and it was called as Core Hacks. Actually, I was not alone. I was collaborating with Ms. Ruhi Avasthi, who is currently the Women Tech Lead of DSC GGB. We both were the team for that hackathon. We participated in Core Hacks, that was a hackathon, and we developed one project that was called the Smart Farmer Consultant. Our project was called as Farmer Consultant because it was completely based on the agriculture sector of India. We created one smart farming system for the farmers, like they can get to know which crop to grow at their land, so that they can get the maximum benefits of that crop and they can get the maximum yield. So basically, that was completely based on the smart agriculture to help the farmers uh, across the country, India. So we submitted that project, and like the idea was like uh, very much appreciated by the university, and they like selected us as the second prize winner for their one track called public policy track. So we won that hackathon and we received the prizes. So that was the whole journey for our hackathon. So let me first tell you like what should you do for like, if you want to participate in any hackathon, you should have one idea first. Okay, so if you want to like participate in any hackathon, think of an idea. So how will you get that idea? You should have like some research attitude inside you. Okay, so you should be updated with yourself with the current all the current affairs in the technology world. You should be updated. You can use LinkedIn is a very much useful resource to get updated. Okay, and you can like subscribe to various technological newsletters to get updated. So first of all, you should get updated with the current affairs in the technology, and then you should must have a some idea to implement. Okay, because every hackathon requires one idea. We should have an idea, and the next thing is that is required is the implementation. Okay, so you should know how to implement your idea through technology. Okay, so we had an idea, we implemented the idea using various technology available in the market, and we come out with the like useful product. Okay, so for the main thing that you should have is some idea to implement, and you should know how to give implementation to your idea using various technologies, and you should come out with a useful product. So that's the whole uh, basis of any hackathon. You should know the complete steps to move towards the hackathon, and like if you have uh, completely well planned this whole thing, you will definitely win the hackathon. So the main important thing is the idea and the implementation. So that's all needed for any person or any team to win any hackathon. And yes, if you win any hackathon, you will definitely will be awarded with some cool prizes and perks that the organization will give you. So if you work hard for your project or anything, you will definitely get awarded. So you should have a zeal to participate, and you should have an enthusiasm for your project to build. So that's the whole criteria to be a part of a hackathon. So I think I'm over. So Abhishek, you can take over from now.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dipesh. It was a really great experience, and thank you so much for talking to the participants also. So you get the knowledge of hackathon. Okay, that's really great. So what Dipesh had told that like in hackathon, why a participant should participate. Okay, so here we listed out 6 points, which are: first is practice your skills with real life problems. Like you learn something in a theory and you didn't know how this can be implemented in real life problems. So the hackathon is basically a things which can practice your skills with real life problems. Okay, so it will be really great. You can practice like what you study. Okay, second point, network and have knowledge exchange between peers. That what Dipesh sir said about that. You get an extreme network in the by participating in hackathon. Like this, like the Hackfest GGV hackathon. Mostly the like we have the WhatsApp channel. You already know about that, where we WhatsApp group where we give the announcement only. Okay, but we have one communication partner, like we will do a communication in Discord. Okay, so Discord is a really great tool where so many people can come and there are so many channels you can join, and uh, you can talk to any person. So the networking part is really important for the hackathon. Like you all not in the college, you are all in the virtual medium, and you didn't know to each other like your peers. You didn't know your friends, you didn't meet them, but you can contact them through WhatsApp. Okay, but in some in a low manner, like you contact with a one person only, second person, or you make a group. But in the like in Discord, we will around 200 300 all participants will be on the Discord, and if anyone having any kind of problem, they can tell in the Discord, and anyone can solve that problem. Okay, so the networking will be very great, and the Discord link and everything will be given soon. Don't have to be worried about, have some patience. Third one is meet experienced mentor to acquire industrial knowledge. Yes, in the hackathon there are 2 person. Okay, actually 3 person. First is participants who participate in the hackathon, and they solve a problem with their desired solution into the product. Okay, and second one is mentors. Mentors are those who help the participants in the entire hackathon. Like if a participant stuck into some doubts or stuck into some problems, like he didn't find a solution for his code, like he or she is getting errors in the code. So the mentors are those who they can help in that particular case. Okay, and third one is the organizers, which organize the entire hackathon. So these are the 3 people who are the participants of the hackathon. First is participants, second is mentors, and third is organizers. Fourth point, what is know more about new technology. Okay, so like many of you don't know anything about some technologies, but when you go to solve a problem and you get a solution for that, but you didn't know how to implement that solution into a product. So what you do so many research, and you find something like this problem can be explained with the like machine learning. Okay, this problem can be solved with the machine learning, and you didn't know about the machine learning. So hackathon is a platform where you can learn that part. Okay, so you go to learn machine learning for some days, and what you need to do in this project. Okay, and you do a lot of research for machine learning, you learn, and then you make that project. Okay, so this is all what are the new technology. Fifth one is award and certification, which is really necessary. If you participate in hackathon, then if you win, then you get award. If you didn't win, don't worry, you get a certification, which is really experience, which is really important, and it count you as an experience when you go to any interview, anything. They will count you as a like you have gained so many experience on that hackathon. And six, the most important part, which I experienced a lot, I didn't win any hackathon, but I get so many experience from different types of hackathon. Okay, invaluable experience are there in hackathon. You can keep it up. Okay, this is all about the why should you participate in hackathon. Okay, so coming to the next point about Hackfest GGB. Okay, so Hackfest GGB, which a platform for the tech fanatic students to solve some pressing real world problems. Okay, so you get an opportunity to solve some real life problems through your ideas. Okay, second, an initiative to include a culture of product innovation and mindset of problem solving. Okay, like you all are doing online studies, then online exam. Okay, but this can't be help in your overall development. Okay, like you just are giving online study, you note it down in a paper. Then for the exam, many students get search in the Google and they just put it down like in the answer sheet. So there is no scope of improvement. Okay, so the hackathon is a place like Hackfest GGB will really help you to include a culture of product innovation and a mindset of problem solving. Okay, so you must be aware about what are the themes. So as the solution challenge theme, which is about the solving one or more of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Okay, so sustainable development goals are known as global goals. Okay, few years back, the General Assembly adopted 2030 agenda for sustainable development goals (SDGs), which we call, building on the principle of leaving no one behind. Okay, these 17 goals are basically all the problems around the world. Okay, and these goals are so great that can easily transfer our world into the better. Okay, so these are the 17 goals which start from like no poverty, zero hunger, good helping, and etc. I have the video, but I can't play because we didn't have a time. But what you can do, like we uploaded this whole presentation on the registration, like where you do RSVP, and also we put on the our Hackfest GGV WhatsApp group too. Okay, I can show there. So this is our where you do RSVP and register for the event. Okay. So here you can get the presentation when you get into this part and you get the presentation. Okay, I will show you. Like when you go to the Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya events platform, so we are already have past event which is solution challenge info session. So you can see there the presentation for that session is uploaded here. Okay, so you can see in this. So that's like you will get this presentation also, and you can see the 17 sustainable development goals, which means for, and you can research it more like no poverty is what is no poverty goal, what is zero hunger goal, and what you can make in that part. Okay. Okay, I will share the link for this. So this is our event platform where you find all the previous event. Everything is available in that platform. So prizes in Hackfest GG. What are the prizes you will get to participate in Hackfest GG? Okay. So there is certification for each participant, which will come from solution Google Solution Challenge, and this will be signed by the Developer Student Club. Okay, and online badges for each participant. You can showcase these badges on your social media platform. Also, special certificates for achievers, like who do really well in all the type of things. They will get the special certificates. Special badges for winners. Okay, so those who win the entire hackathon, they will get the special badges. They can showcase in their social media platform. Next one is swags and goodies for top performance. Okay, we are approaching so many sponsors, and if we get like good goodies, then the winner will get the swags and goodies for their performance, like T-shirts, like some technical devices, anything they can get. Okay, we will reveal soon. Okay, but you have to participate first. And special discount for our from our sponsor, like we are sponsoring some Coding Ninja. Okay, we are approaching that, and if we get a chance, then that like they sponsor us, then the winners and the top performers get an opportunity to join their courses free of cost or at some discount. So it will be really great for you all. And much more we will be revealed soon when the hackathon will come. Oh, okay. So, and we already told about the prizes in Google Solution Challenge. So our theme is to solve at least one of the UN 17 sustainable goals. Okay, and if you solve that 17 sustainable goals with Google technologies, then you can participate in Google Solution Challenge. Okay, so Google Solution Challenge, I already told the prizes, like 50 top 50 teams around the world receive the customized mentorship from Googlers, an expert to take solution to the next level. They will help your solution to improve more. Okay, then top 10 finalists, they will get some mentorships, swags, and 1 year subscription of plural site, and they will show to you like in the demo day of the Google. Okay, also. And top three winner will receive a Chromebook laptop and coffee chat with Google executive in the California or Bangalore or Gurgaon, anywhere according to the situation. And if you are invited for anything into a Google summit or anything, so what happened? They will provide everything, like from traveling grant to your hotel money, everything they will provide. So this will be a really great opportunity, and the Hackfest GGB will really help to get down to a great level in the solution challenge. Okay, what are the submission guidelines? Like you made some projects and where you submit that project. Okay, so the submission guideline will be on GitHub or they post according to the convenience of your as a participant. So we will be revealing soon that on the around the 26th or 25th of the March, like where you have to submit. And like so many people did not know how to use GitHub and they post for submission. So we will be having a workshop on the GitHub too. We will explain everything. Okay, so what will be the judging criteria? So the panel of judges of our university professor will use the following criteria. So they will review your code, or you can say your prototype model, take an idea what you made and what are the problems and how you solve that problem. So they will select five topmost team. Okay, then for the five topmost thing will go on presentation of their working models through videos or through anything. We will explain that also, and there will be some question answering round. So those who will get the first, second, third position, they will really get an opportunity to work on that idea. Okay. So what are the stages of Hackfest GGB? Okay, you must be thinking about that, like what is Hackfest and what is hackathon, and what are the stages? So we explain what is Hackfest and hackathon. So stages. So what will happen? Like day after tomorrow, on 22nd and 23rd, we have designed a session. Like design day, what is design? You have a solution of a problem, but you didn't know how to design that solution into a product. So we will explain in the design day, like a project, how to design a project and everything. Okay, so you attended design day, then you think of that an idea, like what I suggest that idea is great or not. Okay, so you run some test on that idea. It will be great or not. Then you learn some technologies from the workshops. Like we have the workshop of web development, AIMN, cloud computing, and Android also. So you learn these technologies. You see that your solution needs this kind of technologies. You learn them and you do research on that also. Okay. Then there is a development phase, which is the main part of the hackathon, Hackfest GGB. It's on 27, 28, where you develop your product on the basis of your knowledge and idea, and you submit your projects, and we will get the presentation of best idea, and there is the result. This all will be the stages of hackathon. Okay. Also, one more thing, this event is quite different from other university events. Okay, so our university have one innovation club. You may somehow receive a notification from innovation club that you can be the part of anything. Look, but they are not active. Like they conduct one event around the year, like which is Innovation Talent Hunt, where student gets an opportunity to showcase their product directly, like showcase their ideas, and the professor will select the winners and they will provide the certificate. That's the only thing which is given in the Innovation Talent Hunt. But in the Hackfest GGV, there is a different part. Like you don't came up with your idea and solve and prototype your prototype model. We are here to teach you also. Like if you get stuck in anywhere, we are here to help you so that you can design a great product and a great idea which can help you to win this hackathon. Okay, so in this case we have workshop series. We starting from web development, which is starting tomorrow, from web development front end part, which is from 11 a.m. 1 p.m. and second one is backend and Android dev part, which is from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. I will explain a little more. Let's go ahead. Like this is the first day, which is info session. Second day will be tomorrow, and the third and fourth day, which was on the Monday and Tuesday. I know you have the classes going on, but what I can say, the following, like in your when your classes is going on, the workshop will be held after 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. and we will distribute the poster and the information also. Okay, there will be design day and 22nd on 22nd 23. These 2 days design day will be we have the speakers from the industry and they are really professional. They will be giving so much brief about how you can design a product and everything. So they are the outside of the GGV. Okay, so I request that when you attend that session, so please behave as a great university student, and they are going to teach us, so you can learn from them also. Okay, on the day 5th we have the AI ML session. So many people are excited to know about the robotics and how the robots think. Like so all these things part are the part of the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, so we will explain on the 24th also. And at the day 6, which is on Git and GitHub is really important for an engineering student. Okay, so we will covering Git and GitHub part. Also the cloud computing part. Cloud computing is an evergreen field. All the things around the world is on the cloud. Like you use Google Photos, you use Google Drive, is actually it is the cloud. Okay, which is designed by the Google. So these all the things will be covered on the 25th, and we reserve one day, which is 26, for like if our sponsor want to conduct and we get some great speaker so that you can get great experience on 26. So we reserve that day. If we get any opportunity, then we will inform them. Also, I'm really sorry, like the registration of the hackathon is not yet started. It will start it from today. Okay, the when the registration will started, we will inform you through the WhatsApp channel also, and on the our social media also. Okay, and on the website too. Okay, I let's see the website first. So this is our website. So you can see that 6 days, 6 hours, 21 minutes is left for the hackathon. Okay, for those who want to join the WhatsApp group, they didn't join that, so they can join here, and you will get all the announcement regarding Hackfest GGV, and you will get the presentation, everything. Okay, if you join the WhatsApp group, and also when the registration will start, you will get notified here. Okay, and in the navigation bar that registration is started, you can join here. Okay, so this is the timeline. Here you can see for the info session, here you can see register from here and do RSVP. And also for all the session, we will here put the registration from here and do RSVP for that also. Okay, also I am really sorry, like you have to register for so many times, but we didn't have any option. We have to submit a report for a particular session. Okay, so please cooperate for that also. You can register. It will take only 2 minutes, 3 minute time. You just have to go to the event platform, then join us, and then register. That's only thing. So this will count as like how many participants are from Guru Ghasidas are taking participate in this event. Okay. Okay. So this is the workshop for tomorrow's session. that will be discussed the technologies we use for both front-end and back-end development. And the morning session will cover subjects from basic setup to web standard and best practices, which all include like HTML and the language that gives web content structure, meaning the CSS, and the language used to style web pages, which is JavaScript. Okay, the scripting language used to create dynamic functionality on the web. Okay, and the evening session is all about learning how to integrate the front end part of the website to the Firebase. Okay, so what is Firebase? Firebase is a comprehensive app platform built on Google infrastructure. Okay, therefore it provides a secure, fast, free, and easy to host your content on the web or mobile application. Okay, so you can build powerful web apps using these complementary Firebase services, and like website team is active on that, and they will explain every part of that, and they will make a product on that also. Okay, so we will show you how to use these services and how to integrate the website we made using front end technology with Forecast. Okay, so that will be all about the tomorrow session. Okay, so what are the proposed timeline? Proposed timelines like starting from today, which is info session about the Hackfest GGB, then 22nd, 23, which is the design day, and tomorrow will be the dev development part, which is on the morning, front end part, on the evening, back end part. And cloud computing will be done with Git and GitHub on 25th, and AI/ML will be done on 23rd. 22nd, 23rd, which is design day, and hackathon will be on 27th, 28th. And like if you have, if you are still, if you are working on your idea, you can start from here. Okay, you don't have to wait for the hackathon. Also, if you are working on your idea, if you are learning the technologies, also don't have to wait. You can start anytime. Okay, you can get into your product, और आप product अभी से बनाना चालू कर सकते हैं. आप बनाइए, and you can show your product on the end of the 28th March, and you can submit that. Right? Okay, so for the solution challenge, there all of the videos are available in the presentation. Okay, so like you get confused for the UN 17 sustainable goals overviews and ideas. These are available in this slides also, and how to build a project walkthrough is also taken by with Arman Hizar Khani, is an expert in that field.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
So what are the communication challenge? I already told about the WhatsApp communication. Okay, and second one is the Discord. So participants should use the following platform to communicate, like connect with participant organizers and mentors. We are also, like, this event is not like a boring event. We have some games, discuss ideas and everything. Okay, so that you can make fun, and you will bit relax in a happy atmosphere. Okay, so this will be really great. We will play games and also. Okay, those who are free and those who are stuck in their idea, so a need a break is necessary. So you can make friends and memories also, and be aware of community policy, like don't indulge in anything which are beyond the policies. You have to respect everyone first. Okay, so this is the sample of Discord channel. Like many have you also facing the problem, like I didn't have any team. So can you create an event so that we can find a teammate? So what we can do, we will provide a channel in the Discord where you can put like, I am looking for the team, and those who have less numbers of members and those who are interested, they can join. Okay, so this is the Discord platform will be really great, and we will provide every type of information in a detailed manner in the Discord section also. And we will provide the Discord link when the registration process will start. Okay, through the mail and through everything. You don't have to be panic and don't have to lose your patience like I didn't receive anything. Okay? So there are self-paced code labs also. Like if you stuck in something and if you want to learn the technologies from today, you can use the Google self-paced code lab. It's free of cost, where you can improve your skills and skills for projects also. Okay, and you can find pathways and code labs say layer. This will be available in the presentation. Okay, for the design day, there is an 6 point you have to like design day exercise is actually a 5-day exercise for your ideas. Like you have an idea and you want to develop that idea. So Google develop and design sprint kit where you can check that idea is feasible or not. Okay, like from first is understand, then define, then sketching, then decide, then prototyping, and then validate your idea. Okay, there are some tutorials videos available in the presentation also. You can view in the YouTube channel like solution challenge tutorials video, which is starting like identifying a problem, ठीक? Identifying a solution, designing the interface, ठीक? And then designing the technology. These are the given by Hasan Kaki. I already told about them. Okay. Also, the Google provides us Google Cloud Kit. If you face like if you want some cloud access, you can go through this process and you can ask the Google credit for your project. Like I want this for my project. You can easily use the Google Cloud services for free. What are okay FAQs? So can my problem solve a problem outside the scope of the 17 sustainable goals? No, you don't have permission for that. You have to solve that problem around the 17 sustainable goals. And I assure that every problem must have this one or more sustainable development goals. Okay. And can one student or team submit with multiple submission? No. The terms and conditions read that एक आदमी एक या एक पर्सन एक ही सबमिशन कर सकता है. So it will limit entry per person. Okay. So like we will consider your like so for implementation of social distancing, your like you if you want to test this product to the outside world, you can't do that in the COVID period. So we will consider that also. This is available in the FAQ section. What are the eligibility criteria? Okay, so eligibility criteria is this: you have to be a part of BTech GGB BTech student. Okay, you can be from computer science student, you can be from mechanical IP anywhere. Okay, you can be from first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Don't ask like can an IP student participate, can a first year student can participate. Everyone from the BTech GGB can participate. Okay, non-professional like those who are participate like those who are pass out student, they can participate. Those who are active in the BTech, they can participate. Can participate individually, you can participate individually or with a team with maximum of 4 members. Okay, also when we participate in this, so the last date for submitting your ideas in solution challenge is in 31st. So our hackathon will end in 28th. So what you can do, you can directly participate into the solution challenge. Okay, when you use one of the like Google technology, then only you can participate in the Google solution challenge. Okay, so what are the like these FAQs are for the solution challenge also. And for the solution challenge, you have to be part of BSc college, and if you are from the Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, then you can participate in a solution challenge. Okay, and those who are from outside the Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, they can still participate, but for their team, one member like from the 4 of the member, one member must be from a DSC college, which is like it must be from the Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya. Okay, this is the overview timeline of the Google Solution Challenge. You can see this, and these all are the Solution Challenge winners video. I already take this video on like previous session on the Solution Challenge info session. Okay, you can see also there like how I can play one video.
Giving a good presentation is really hard.
So this is a project which is free speak. Okay, so some student design a project. So like you have must be thinking what is project look like. So you can get an idea from this also.
Now imagine this. You are currently in a selection interview for a really big company. You have 2 minutes in which you have to present yourself. 2 minutes that will decide if you will get approved to the company of your dreams or rejected. One presentation that can have a big impact in the future. When we looked around at our local university, we noticed something. Many tutors or people giving presentations have one thing in common. They know a lot and can provide lots of knowledge, but oftentimes the audience just falls asleep. We have asked experts in the field of rhetoric and communication. People focus on improving their content, but they forget one of the most important aspects of presentation: body language and emotions. Now, a presentation without proper body language and emotions is like food without proper seasoning. The problem is that our current education system just doesn't teach us such important soft skills. Getting professional soft skill training is really rare to find and really expensive. We wanted to change this.
We created a software that records the presentation, analyzes it, and gives personalized individual feedback and tips to improve your presentation. Using Google Speech API and Google Cloud Sentiment Analysis, we can analyze data about the talking speed, the recognized emotions in your voice, or the content of your speech. With TensorFlow, we can use machine learning to analyze the body language and facial emotional expressions in the video. In the future, we could add individual training exercises or analyze more aspects of a good presentation. And with today's technical advancements, the possibilities are endless.
Okay, this is the video of the project which is made by TensorFlow. Okay, so this is the application of machine learning, and it is really a great video. It's one of the 10 topmost projects on the 2020 solution challenge. Okay. So don't think like if you don't have any big idea, no problem. You must have to courage to fight. Okay, you must have to participate. So you can see all these videos from the YouTube channel. They have the playlist also. Like you can search 2020 solution channel with us. You can see this also. Okay, so what are the Google technologies you can use for your project? So like for the solution challenge, you can there are so many Google technologies like Android, Flutter, GCP, Google Cloud Platform, Firebase, TensorFlow for AI and ML. So you can use for your solution challenge. Okay, and like if you use outside of this technology, you can still participate in the Hackfest CGB. Okay, so this is the demo day where all the participants from around the world, like who are the top 10 finalists, they provide their idea in this and they present their project in this demo day. Okay, you can see this demo day also in the YouTube channel and the presentation. So thank you so much, everyone. We can't wait to see what you build. Okay, really thank you so much. It will be a great time for you. And at the last, I can assure that if you think like I have a little bit of idea about the like you think like my idea is not being great. Okay, so no problem. You must have a courage to participate. Like you have to be participate. आप भी पार्टिसिपेट करिए और अपने दोस्तों को भी खींच के लाइए. Okay, I don't know when you get this opportunity in future. Like so many things are happening, but our university must focus focusing on exams and classes. So this even can't happen. Okay, like this from the next time this we can next year. So you don't have any time. So you must have to participate in this event, and you must encourage your friends and your peers too. Like you have to participate in this event for sure. I can guarantee you, like you will know so much. Like many are going for the DSC recruitment, and you face the interview. Some students get the opportunity to be in the a part of the team of DSC. Okay, I know, and some students don't get the chance to get in the team. But I can assure that you must get on some experience, like how a interview conducted, how you have to answer some questions, how to prepare for the interview, how to prepare for an opportunity. Okay, so you must gain some experience, and I can assure that if you're starting from the first year, then you are totally different in the fourth year, and totally different also, but you will be a really great student, and you can compete IIT student also. Okay, if you're starting from the first year, don't waste your time in unauspicious activities. You have to be trust yourself first, then you have to be improve your school skill as much as possible. Okay, thank you so much everyone. If you have any doubt, you can write on the chat box. I will here to help you all. Okay, for the link of the video, this will be uploaded in the the presentation will be uploaded on the WhatsApp, and the slide of this event platform where you get registration. Okay, I will upload there also. Kumar so asked, how secure is my idea or the credit when we participate in such program like Hackfest? Okay, so like idea, so your idea, like if you think an idea that this idea can solve a particular problem, like a person is also there who can solve that, who think like that, okay, who have the same idea, but the implementation part is really different. Okay, so you can like when you get an innovative idea, so what you can do, you can patent that idea, you can have copyright for that also. And when a hackathon is organized, they provide your hackathon information at top level. Okay, they don't share your idea with others, like this person is creating this idea, should we or I use that idea for future reference or not. Okay, but your idea, like if you have an idea, your idea can be used for future product, not your exactly the same product. Okay, any background knowledge required for this? See, in the above already Sejal ma'am like explained that you don't have to require any background. You can start from you can start from zero. Okay, it's already totally depend on your idea, how, what is your idea, what you want to develop, it's totally depend on you. Okay, can we make any project that may exist earlier? Yes, you can make us. And like so many, like first Zomato is there, okay, and Swiggy is also there, both are different parts and both are successful. Okay, so you can still make so many things from the earlier product, but you have to be something like different from that product. Like you can't make Google, so you can compete with Google, you can make an alternative for them. Okay, so like when the WhatsApp policies come, then there is an alternative come or no. So that's the way you can design a product, it's if it exists earlier. Okay, how to patent an idea? So the patent process is really different from that. You can search in the in the internet also. And for our university, you can patent your idea in IPR cell. Okay, this is an MHRD in IPR cell. If you have a great idea, so you can patent that. And what is the number of team members for each team? Oh, first person, I already mentioned that you can participate in individually or you can participate in team, and at most 4 members will be there in the team. Okay, maximum up to 4 members. Okay, anything more? Anyone want to question? How will we be able to make or implement any idea without any prior knowledge of programming or designing for the test, which seems totally technical? Okay, Vicky, that's why we are here to provide some workshops. Okay, like starting from the design day and for the technical purpose, like you attend the design day, you know that how solution can be implemented into a technical solution. Okay, and we will conduct some workshops for the technical things like AI, ML, and web development. If your idea lies on them, you can use that idea into that technology and you can make that product. If you're still facing that, you can search in the internet, there are so many things happening. Like I know so many person that they know nothing. Okay, they are from commerce background, they are from bio background, and what they did, they participate in the hackathon, they know zero. Okay, and they get 1 week, and what they did, they learn and they make a product and they win their prize. Okay, you don't have to you don't have to learn so many things for a particular thing. Okay, you have to note that thing which will be helpful for a project. Okay, you can start by yourself too. You can help with the mentors, or you can take help from the workshop session. Okay, a team will be obliged to put forward a single idea. Yes, if you are in a team, then you must have a same idea. Okay, and like if you want to be work in individual, you can work in individual. Okay, can we get help from mentors or for groups personally for hackers? Yes, Jadid. We will having a Discord channel. Okay, so there are so mentors from different technical background. They will be here for your help. Like if you're facing any kind of problem, you can contact them. Okay. How will the team get decided? Param, I didn't get you. Like what you want to ask? Can you elaborate your question? Okay, anything more? We can choose our team or DSC will decide the teams. No, Harshvardhan. Like if you're participating in a hackathon or anywhere, you have a team. Like if you're participating in like a cricket tournament. Okay, so the organizer don't get into the tournament and they will provide you team for that. You have a team, like you and your friends want to that make idea into this project. Okay, so you make a team with your friends. Okay, then you participate together.